are familiar with all the Swedish activities and donations in helping Serbia, such as aid in the preparations for negotiations with EU in the environment area, help with roads reconstructions, assist in the reforms of public administration, help economic development, assist in reforming Serbian police force. As the Swedish ambassador has said, 7 years more of donations to Serbia on its way to Europe. We would like to express our gratitude to Your Excellency, Mr. Krister Asp, your country, and the Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency, SIDA. Thank you, dear friends, Lena and Hans Järrestam. You introduced us to Swedish customs, hospitality, and kindness. You are wonderful representatives of the Swedish people. All this inspired me to create the project Love Touches World with Colors, dedicated